Kawayan Forest Camping Resort.
Shake!
Reception ka rin ah.
Shaken. I mean, now there's 4. Yeah, there was 3 brown. And 1 white. No, there's a hornet. There's a hornet. Mommy, can you give me?
Yeah. Wait.
Let's look for the peacock. Peacock. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's win now? Well, huh? Oh, let's go. This cave has clothes. Yes.
Hello! Andito kami ngayon sa Kawayan Campsite. Dito sa Tarlac. Ayan yung mga kids. So we just started with our setup. Ayun. Tapos meron kaming nagsaing na pala ako. Ayan, nagsasaing ako ngayon. So later namin isa-set up yung tent. Pero at least for now, we have the awning. Ayan, so we are well shaded already. Nandito kami sa row campsite. Yan. Dito mas tahimik. Dun sa kabila medyo parang marami ng guests doon. Ayan, dito presko. Walang signal and yeah, disengaged again sa outside world. Which is good for the soul. You know, meron na tayong pwedeng kainin. Joke lang. Saan?
I can actually sit underwater.
Okay, good.
Some of my nice shirts are in the wall.
Shower nila.
But I just
May mga shower sila dito. Kaso, ang daming lamok.
Daddy, I checked my
Ang ganda
emotional
naman yung shower
well-being, and
nila
then for
po.
some
Saka yung
reason,
toilet
it
nila.
says unpleasant.
It's just that, ito yung pass namin papunta sa campsite. It's a raw campsite. Tapos dito, maganda naman yung kanilang, nice naman, Yun. But, there's a lot of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes. Kaya you need to stamp. Good thing we have off lotion. Oh, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon maghuhugas. Ayun yung ating campsite. Doon tayo. Kasama natin si pareng Ernest. So now, maghuhugas tayo. Kasi kagabi, hindi tayo nakapaghugas. Unfortunately, ganito lang patak ng tubig nila. Ayan. So that's the problem. Yan. Otherwise, kung sa baba, malakas naman yung water. Pero if you want to just wash yung mga, mga plato, ganun, you can just do it here. Nga lang maghintay ka dun sa patak. Yan lang. Morning! Good morning, Kuya. Ziana, good morning.
natin nasaan?
How was your sleep? Okay. It's a nice morning. Oh, natanggal na ni Daddy yung mga agad-agad. Kabilis. Yung mga tent. Again, Ziana and I slept there inside the car. Ayun, no, may matabang chicken
Pataba
doon.
ng chicken dito, no?
We're having our coffee, then we will walk around.
Did you know we saw a rooster?
Meron kaming dito, oh. Pang cover for privacy. Right.
I did.
Ikaw mag-drink ka, I did not see you drink water.
I did.
No, I'm telling you to drink now.
Ball.
Mm.
The ball.
So we're gonna walk around. There, go. The drone is following us. Oh. It's like a fly.
Oh, this.
I got it in the back
We
of
have
the head.
playground here, but it's too steep.
Run!
LeBron James. Dito yata kayo dito sa pavilion eh. Pavilion to yung sa kabila.
Yeah. Ayan, no, may mga directions naman sila.
Sa kanila din sa kabila eh. Ha? Bakit?
No, we will walk around muna, Siana.
Oh. Pag mo sa nga, sisiyan yung pinapalingin dito na. Tanang pauwi.
This looks so good. This looks like the best part of the street race.
Take a picture dito na nakagit na ng daan.
This looks like the best part. Anyway.
Picture. So, yung mga yan, nirerentahan. Ayan, no, may mga ATV po sila. Ano yung tawag doon? Dirt bike?
Yeah. There's one that's small lang, the yellow.
So, ito po yung mga direction, playground, parking, bamboo forest, camps. So, 1 camps 2 to 4.
Ito yung
Dito, mas maraming nagka-camping. Yeah, there.
babalik lang tayo dyan eh. No?
Oo.
Tayo. Pika.
Yun yung peacock. White peacock.
Yeah, ito rin sa pili.
Natuyo siya.
How'd you know?
Okay.
You already came
Presko, oh. Daming puno.
Sino?
Lagi ng animal.
Uy, yun. Sana all.
Sana all.
Tatakit ka rito na.
Tapos, that's already
Why
the
we already know?
pool. Pool area.
Not later, go to the bamboo forest.
Yeah.
I think sabi niya matitira.
You don't want to go back there?
Ayaw mo na doon sa forest? Bakit?
Tapos, yun po yung mga CR nila. Okay. yung common nila for male and female.
Malamig yung tubig yan, tingnan nyo. Nasa itong 1%.
Matamad.
Yes, wala pang tao.
Diba?
So early eh. What time is it? 7:05.
Yeah, you two can sit here.
Oo nga. That's the plan.
Okay.
It's cold already.
Ayaw mo yung cold dyan, ha?
Room temperature. Oh, this is not that cold.
Hanggang saan ang drone ito?
Don't let it fall in here. I won't be able to see. Oh my gosh. If that falls into this pool, I won't be able to save it. Ooh, it's kind of cold, yeah. That's so low.
Ikaw din? Kailangan bago pa tayo bumalik doon.
The water is so shallow now.
Kumapa ba? Ano yan?
What is that?
Ibon? Ha? Ay, ito, yung ano, yung pika ko.
Ika?
Asan?
Ba't hindi niya, paano may spread, no?
Oh, nice.
Siya pala yung maingay, no?
Ha?
Ito pala yung maingay.
Oh.
Bigok! I wanted to show the, ano.
Spread your feathers.
Yan na, scared. Boo!
It's nice.
Peacock. Spread na your feathers. Come on. Ang ganda oh. Yung mga bata kaya lang pa tong feather, ay peacock na ganito. No?
Ang natin, no?
Nice.
Yung pinutol ko.
Ito no, oo.
This?
Ito po yung mga toilets nila. Malakas naman pala yung water pag dito.
Mataas kasi dun, eh.
Doon kasi uphill doon, kaya wala, tulong ano lang siya. Patak-patak lang siya. Yun. Pero here, you can fetch water naman. And you can even wash your dishes here.
Turn it on.
Ano, ganda.
Turn it on. This one's so good.
Got that glow in her eyes when she walks by, like sunlight breaking through the clouds on a cloudy sky. Her laugh is like a summer breeze, so light and free, and every time she speaks, it feels like music to me. Got that old soul vibe, stories in her stare, like she's seen the world and still believes in love and care. She wears her heart on her sleeve, no need for disguise, and I can't help but fall for someone who shines this bright. Oh, she's a dream come true, something out of a rhyme, the kind of something out of her eyes.